Hello friends, welcome back. We're going to do another system tuning video. The last one was very, very popular, maybe in a bad way. So just in terms of what we're up to with a general setup with this band, I just wanted to shed some light on maybe why I do things the way that I do. So this room is a good example of that. So you can see where the speakers are in relation to the ceiling. So the ceiling in this particular venue is a very, very high, very, very vaulted ceiling. There's very little soft surface in here as far as just acoustic treatment. There's just some curtains on the side here. And then as far as the stage goes, this is not an uncommon thing for us. So speakers are on the floor, and the front line of the singers are going to be somewhere between where the speakers are at, and maybe even just a little bit in front of them. So we're a 9-piece band tonight, or 10, I can't remember. So we don't have a lot of space. So if you look at where the subs are located, the subs are actually located right here next to this table. So we don't have much of a pathway here to let people in and out. So and then also right behind me is the bar. So we've got a bit of egress issues here. So I'm gonna dial in the system here, and we'll go from there. Okay, so we're gonna start here with a vocal mic, listening to this through the PA with it flat. 222, hey, 222. 222, hey, 2, hey, 2, hey, 2. So you can see that with a flat PA, my VCA here is at between -30 and -20. So hey. So let's see what we can do as far as making this feedback. So let's listen to our mains again. Two, yep, 2. Bring our RTA in so we can see, and then I'm just gonna angle this microphone towards the speaker. Okay, we'll bring our gain up just a little bit higher. It's actually an easier room than I thought. Turn my back to it a little bit.
Tuning into the room. Hey Billy, can I borrow that? I'm gonna borrow that.
Whatever you need, bud.
I'm just gonna take video of this and post it to your YouTube.
Interesting. Okay, actually, 222. 8K, okay. So now we can bring some music in here. So we're gonna listen to the subs in solo first. I'm gonna go to my matrix group and just listen to the subs here. So the last video, I got a lot of commentary on the sub EQ. So here's what they sound like with no equalization to them. Now, for the sake of the video, I'm going to EQ these subs with me standing right in front of them so you can get a good listen. Okay, so this is EQ on. That's EQ off. I think EQ on sounds a lot better, don't you? All right, that sounds good to me. Let's see what the vocal mic sounds like now. Hey two, hey two, hey two, hey two, 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 two. Two. Yep. Two, two, two. Hey, two. Two, two. Yep. Okay, that's our system EQ, and now we can go to the channel level and take care of some problems. Two, two. Yeah. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, two. Hey, two. Hey, two. Uh-huh. Hey, hey, hey. Yep, yep. Uh-huh. Yeah, two, two, hey, two, 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 hey, 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 two, 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 two. Two, two, hey, 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 two, hey, two, hey, two. So the reason why we judiciously EQ things like that is if you can see where I am talking in front of the PA system, just like this, hey, 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 two, hey, two. And instead of using proximity effect like this, I'm going to use the microphone like this, and we still are not getting gratuitous amounts of feedback. So we can turn towards the PA, off axis, with a condenser microphone, and we still don't get feedback. So I hope this clears things up. So cocktail hour is happening in the other room, and I just wanted to show you, so the whole band is on the stage now. These are where the vocal mics are in relation to the speakers. So again, we're trying to make the sound happen in a very imperfect world, so I'll check back in with you once the band starts playing again. Hey friends, welcome back. This is day 2. So today we are in Prospect Park in Brooklyn. I thought that this would be the weekend ended up lucking out pretty good just in terms of looking at system tuning videos. So here's where we're at today. This is a facility in the middle of Prospect Park. So what we're going to do is we're going to run our ceremony PA, or our main PA for their ceremony, which they're setting up for right now. And then if we look at this room here, we've got a pretty nice, tall, boomy, untreated ceiling. And if you can see up there, it is corrugated metal, so that should be interesting. And then as far as the stage goes, we're breaking a lot of rules here. We've just got our system set up, so singers will be pretty parallel downstage with the speakers. But if you can see the speaker in the background there, it's pretty much right up against the wall. As much as I can try to avoid that, I did, but again, just system tuning in a very unideal room. So I'm gonna get the PA fired up right now, and we'll make some noise and see if we can get this tuned. So one of the things that we do have to worry about here also, and again, just commenting on why we don't use smart or something like that, I can never get a room that's quiet. So we just have to make our decisions based on everything that we can with what we got. So the ceremony is going to be happening at the chuppah that's happening right over there. So basically we're going to use a SM86 on a wireless stick, which is going to be pretty much off axis to the PA. So, you know, again, just as far as tuning goes, just something to think about if you're looking at things that maybe not be stereotypical. You know, many PA systems, or you don't have to use stuff in that way. So let's give this a listen. Okay, so looking at our show file from last night, We were in another tall room, as you saw, so we were really having problems in this low to high mid range here, starting at about 250, ending at about 1.5. Again, looking at our matrices here, we were rocking with that kind of stuff too. Again, just accentuating a wider Q point on those frequencies. There's a little bit of duplicitous information there, but again, that's what it needed to my ears as we were going. Again, looking at the sub EQ, the thing that everybody hates to look at, that's what we ended up with last night. So I'm gonna flatten this out, and we'll see how this sounds in this room. Okay, pretty similar. Okay. Two, hey, two. Okay, so this is a pretty serious EQ. I actually forgot to take this off from yesterday. Usually like to do this with a flat vocal channel, so let's see what this does. We bring it back into the mains here. Two, hey, two. Two, hey, two. Hey, two, hey, two.
Whoever's going to take a break can do before 4, and then whoever hasn't taken their break by 4 has got to wait till long
Two, hey.
But he said you guys did a group order. So
Two.
everybody takes off at once.
Okay. Two. Hey, two. Two, hey, two. Two. Two, hey, two. Hey, two. Two, hey, two. hey 2, hey hey, hey hey hey. 2 2, hey 2, hey 2, hey 2. Two two, hey hey hey. 2 2. 2 2, hey 2. 2 2. Hey hey hey. Hey hey hey. Hey 2, hey 2. Hey 2. Hey hey hey. Hey 2, hey 2. 2 2 2. Hey hey hey. 2 2, hey 2 2 2. 2 2. Hey hey. Hey hey hey. Hey 2 2 2 2 2. Okay, we gotta keep that there. 2 2, hey hey. Hey 2, hey 2, hey 2. Move that over. 2 2, hey hey hey. 2 2, hey 2, hey 2. Hey hey. Okay. Okay, so one of the reasons why I was checking that out over there, they're going to be doing the ceremony, and I just wanted to make sure that oftentimes when you are dealing with this kind of thing, they have one mic, and the one mic is being shared by the officiant and also the bride and groom. So ringing it out, you know, you might look at that and say, hey, that's a bit extreme. Why would you hold the microphone that far away from you? But just you know, just holding it, that's going to be a real world scenario that we're going to have to deal with pretty soon. So we just want to make sure that we know where the room wants to ring so we can make final adjustments and at least have it in our ears where it wants to ring, so we don't have to find frequencies. We can just know that it's, you know, in that 5K kind of region. So anyway, I'll check back in when I can.